Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that cycle network token. Now before I start the video, I'll share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, cycle network CYC is a foundational infrastructure protocol that acts as a universal settlement layer designed to unify assets and applications across fragmented blockchain ecosystems without relying on traditional bridges. Solve fragmentation. It addresses the core problem of associated liquidity and user experience across multiple chains by providing a shared foundation for state consistency and settlement. Leverages advanced tech. The protocol uses ZK rollups technology and core primitives called roll-in and rollout to enable secure, trustless cross-chain communication and assets movement. Powers an abstracted ecosystem. It offers developers an SDK for easy omni-chain DApp development and enable users to interact with assets across chains from a single interface. Cycle network project institution rating is 4. Cycle network token total supply is 499.89 million and circulating supply is around 153.7 million CYC token. CYC token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.